In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Developer tab in Microsoft Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the Developer tab visible in your Word ribbon, and you'll be ready to take advantage of all the advanced tools and features it has to offer. Whether you're looking to create forms, write macros, or delve into other advanced development tasks, the Developer tab is an essential feature you'll need. So, let's get started with these simple steps. First things first, begin by opening Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word has launched and you have your blank document in front of you, you'll want to glance towards the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new panel or menu that slides in from the side, displaying a variety of options related to your document and overall settings within Word. You'll want to scroll down until you see the Options menu and click on it. This is going to open another window called Word Options. Now, this might look a tad bit overwhelming at first, with all its numerous options and settings, but not to worry. We're going to keep things straightforward. Within this Word Options dialog, take a look over to the left-hand pane and find the option titled Customize Ribbon. Click on it. This feature allows you to modify what appears in the Word ribbon, making it incredibly flexible for tailoring the interface to suit your preferences. Once you've selected Customize Ribbon, direct your attention to the right-hand side of this window. You should see a section labeled Main Tabs. Within this list are all kinds of features that can be enabled or disabled in Word. Scroll down until you find the Developer tab. There will be a small checkbox next to it. Simply click on this box to place a checkmark inside it. This action tells Word that you'd like to include the developer functionality in your ribbon moving forward. After you've done this, it's as simple as clicking the OK button, often conveniently located at the bottom of the Word Options dialog. By doing this, Word will save your changes, and you'll return to your main document view. Look at your ribbon at the top of the screen, and voila! You should now see the Developer tab nestled among the other tabs like Home, Insert, and others. You're officially ready to explore the powerful tools housed within this tab, like custom form creation, macro development, and more. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully enabled the Developer tab in Microsoft Word with just a few clicks. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy experimenting with the advanced features that this new tab offers, and happy developing!